What up? Oh, you squatch skillets and things. Finally, after probably close to 4 weeks, we finally got some rain that worth talking about. It's come a good downpour a couple of them times today, and it's supposed to do more. Well, it's drizzling right now. All these sunflowers are blooming. There's my spider plant. I ain't gonna walk up there. I know why my damn phone has been acting goofy lately. Cause damn YouTube or well, Google, that's YouTube, Bluetooth. I ain't trying to run my damn card numbers. It's like on the 6th. And they know when to run them. I don't know why the dumbasses did that. Man, that ain't what this is about. Like, y'all heard me bitch about that before, and they know. Google, whoever over there, Apple the same way. Right hand don't know what the left hand's doing. They don't talk to one another inside the company. I guess, I don't know. Anyway, Chris, thank you, old buddy. It's my old buddy up there in PA. Thank you for them words too on the back. I shipped yours twice. That first time I repurposed the envelope, and whether it looks like somebody pulled it off. I put a label, made a label to go on the front of it. It's one of them yellow envelopes, I think. Label to go on the front. I glued it on there. I even had it taped, and you can tell it looked like it's been pulled off. So I redone it. I think I used a different envelope. Made another label. I guess it finally made it through, I hope. But thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. Yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean, but I don't watch everybody's video. There's no way to do it. There's as many. I ain't been subbing to no new people recently. I got too many as it is. That's why I can barely watch one video. Gee. I just stay behind. I ain't even caught up to last Friday. And it's starting already today. It's another Friday. Always bad on the weekend. Like it ain't bad enough this week. Friday rolls around morning. And oh, you bass catching, Sasquatching, model building, magnificent bastard, you. You got me, didn't you? I'd probably give it away. I love you. You know how I feel about you. Damn. You know, from the bottom of my heart, brother. Man, I threw the whole pot of beans away yesterday because I found an old ham bone in the freezer. It wasn't no good. They tasted funny, the whole pot. So I took them way down there by the back fence and dumped them out. I made another pot today. I didn't have no more white beans. I had to make pinto beans and a few small kidney beans mixed in with them. So get ready. We eat up all the fried taters I made though. They had a sandwich and I run up. I got fixed my bowl and stuff, and I brought it down here and took a few bites, and I had to go back upstairs right quick. Told them, don't eat none of them beans. It tastes funny. That's a bummer. Well, this pot today, I put smoked sausage in there, diced it up. I mean, they smell a whole lot better. They taste a whole lot better. Damn. I guess that old ham bone, it was left over from, I thought it was from last Christmas, but must have been a few Christmases ago. Holiday meal. Damn. A whole pot of, well, it's about a pound of beans all together yesterday. A pound makes a pretty good pot. So. Oh boy. Yeah, what a bummer. What a bummer. Got this rasp. Started on this morning, and it's a little tight, but I glued the two halves of fuselage together, and I forgot all about the prop and all that. I had to pull the front back apart so I could get that shaft in there. You can see that shaft. This come two props, and then you got this three single blades you had to fit on the back part of that cone, and then the front part of the cone glues on top of them. So. But then you get this with that piece there. Right there, it goes through that hole in that. I don't know what that's for. I think I had another, may have been that other Academy model I had, that Corsair. I think it come with an extra stuff for prop. But yeah, I painted some of the interior. All this stuff here goes in through the bottom of this. So seems not real bad. I got to do a little bit of work on them, but ain't real bad. I used it, painted all that interior stuff with this for turf green. That's it. Reaper's paint. It's pretty close to zinc chromate, but just a little darker. So I went back. I couldn't find this further, and then I found this. I went back over top of it. Green zinc chromate. I was actually going to use a flat green. That would have worked too. Oh well. Maybe I can knock this out right quick and I can get back on that Bigfoot truck. And I know I keep saying Jezebel, but really no hurry. I ain't really got a whole lot to finish up on her. Really trying to, I don't know, I guess I'm waiting on a good set of tire rims. I need some good old Keystones. I found some. I stole them out of my old Sox and Martin, and I really didn't want to do that. I like to put them back. They go with that Johan Sox and Martin Cuda. I don't want to put them on Jezebel, but that's the kind I need. I think that's about all. Sox and Martin used to run was like the old Keystone. Well, they're buried it down in there. I ain't digging them out. I guess that's all I had. Yep. Thank you both again. Love y'all. Love all y'all. See you. Bye.